If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Good morning, Cardano Army. It's your boy Boomin coming at you with yet another video. Do all the things that the algorithm likes. Really does help the channel. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started, guys. And we got IOHK here talking about Lace Wallet. Cannot wait for Lace. Definitely going to be an awesome feature. If you don't know what Lace is, it's the new light wallet from IOHK, the creators who brought you the wonderful dataless full node wallet. So dataless is a full node. We all know, about dataless, so how slow it is. That's because it's a full node. It downloads the whole blockchain, all the history. You're really not supposed to turn dataless off. That's why if you shut down dataless for a while, and you turn it back on a couple weeks later, it takes literally hours to sync. You're really supposed to just keep dataless running in the background and never turn it off. But Lace here is a light wallet that will allow you to access your funds, move your funds, store NFTs. They have a cool decentralized application certification store, which I'm super excited about, and all that good stuff. So looks like we have Alex at IOHK, head of product for wallet services. He's going to be talking about the latest developments about Lace. Creating a secure user-centric wallet platform is key for Web3 growth beyond Cardano. In our latest 360, Alex shares the latest on Lace.io development, as well as the ongoing audit by GoFail. Let's take a listen.
So the most exciting part of this update is essentially that the mainnet release is up and coming. The Lace team is working very hard on creating the latest release, which will be going to mainnet in the coming weeks. We've been particularly working very hard on the design and on the security of the Lace application. So as many of you know, we've been talking to over 100 users of the Lace platform to refine our user flows and to make it as seamless as possible. And I think we can proudly say that the results are there. We've worked very hard on the transaction workflow, most notably the transaction bundle. The transaction bundle workflow is extremely user-friendly, and we're very pleased with the feedback that the community has given on this specific feature. Other notable features are obviously the NFT gallery, in which you can view your NFT and all the information that is associated with it, and our delegation center, so the place where you can find out all the information about stake pools, about what they're doing, about their background, and obviously the ability to delegate to them. We've been tirelessly in contact with the community because we do believe that a user-centric design of a Lace wallet will help the Web3 world grow and benefit from easy interactions, but also adoption beyond Cardano.
Heck yeah, guys. Super excited for Lace. And the mainnet release is going to be coming up in a couple of weeks. This is super exciting, guys. When that comes out, I will let you guys know. Let's go ahead and move on real quick. Keep Cardano decentralized, guys. Thank you to OneCom for being 10 toes down, the channel sponsor. One Community ADA, guys. We've been with OneCom for over a year now. And I gotta say, these guys are amazing. So please keep Cardano decentralized by delegating to OneCom. I believe they minted 3 blocks last epoch. 3 whole blocks. So if you're delegated to OneCom, guys, you know you're getting that sweet passive ADA, passive income each and every week. Thank you to OneCom, ticker symbol 1COMM. Please don't delegate with Binance or any of those other big stake pool operators. Let's keep Cardano decentralized. It's important we do so. 0% fees until at least the end of June 2023 for all existing and new delegators. Thank you to OneCom. Let's go ahead and move on, guys. Real quick, this is some minor news. If you guys have, any dev experience out there, Aneta BTC is doing a bug bounty program. So this is actually pretty cool, guys. In a bear market, You know, if you can make extra money here and there to reinvest back into crypto, it's always a good thing. We're excited to announce our bug bounty program is live. Our code has been open source, and white hackers can earn over $6,000. So if you're a white hat hacker, you know, go and get that money. I mean, it's easy money. So thank you to BTC. I'm definitely excited for this project. I think it's very, very important. And let's go ahead and move on here. And then finally, guys, every week we share the weekly development report. So let's get right on to it. So core technology. These teams continue to work on ledger, consensus, and networking improvements. The benchmarking team finalized benchmarking runs and analyses for the new SECP primitives and the upcoming node v1.35.6 release. The team also performed their benchmarking runs for UTXO HD and are currently refining the setup. To improve accessibility, they've added introspective capabilities to the new tracing system. More work ongoing on infrastructure and tooling improvements. As always, see the technical development report for details on different items. The Datalist team worked on adding support for Ledger v6.0.3. Work is ongoing on the latest desktop environment. The team continued polishing the DApp browser, which follows the newest version 0.2.0 of the CIP30, and added a banner to display various Cardano node statuses. They also reduced the app's memory consumption, reorganized translation file structures, and made significant progress on CI infrastructure issue resolutions. The Adestria team are still working on extending the multi-signature feature with the delegation functionality in Cardano Wallet. They've also working on extracting the transaction balancing library and on DB layer refactoring to improve performance and memory usage. Finally, the team's preparing Cardano JS SDK for production release. This week, Plutus team kept enhancing the Plutus debugger and worked on script capacity increased by adding sums of products and incorporating plutonomy optimizations. The Plutus tools team worked on building indexers for sidechains team using Marconi. Additionally, they worked on reducing technical debt by providing support for Cardano API in the emulator. This week, the Marlowe team fixed the traversal of parties to extract roles and public keys and some incorrect asset records for the Marlowe chain indexer. They also handled the epoch boundary block in chain indexer tests and ensured that coin selection respects collateral rules. They defined the Marlowe runtime scaling strategy. The team worked on the creation of the first draft of the Marlowe starter kit for Demeter.run and added unit tests for build, apply, construct constraints v1 and made some table modifications in the Marlowe Explorer. Finally, they introduced error reporting to the REST API and fixed DB comparison for the illegal Shelly address. And then finally, we have the Basho team. This week, Hydra continued closing the various gaps and aligning the implementation of the Hydra head protocol logic with the specification. They also completed the minting policy implementation and clarified the message authentication with researchers and planned further work for mainnet capability. Finally, the team progressed on the internal audit and published some auditing guidelines to receive community contributions. The Mithril team worked on deploying the era activation mechanism to test their networks and preparing the upgrade procedure to be implemented on the signer nodes run by the SPOs. They also refactored the state machines of the aggregator and signer nodes so that they can better handle critical errors, which leads to node panic from recoverable errors. Additionally, the team started working on the design that will allow Mithril Network to certify generic types of data with a minimum customization effort and soft quality updates. Finally, they started working on a mainnet Cardano network, fixed a bug that made the client Docker image crash at startup. So there you go, guys. That was the dev update for the week. I love you guys. I will be back soon with the Vechain and Cardano updates. Let's keep chopping. Thank you so much, Vechain and Cardano Army. for your amazing Patreon support, guys. I'd like to give a shout out to Maryland for Crypto, Anthony Andrews, Feruz Din, Kyle Bachi, CryptoSVT.si, Angeltopia, DNC Vale, Leon Jackson II, Kragan, All Flare LLC, Lucky Sunshine Token, and VET Docky. I hope you enjoyed the show, guys, and I'll be back with another video soon.